guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing this item. It came all the way from Greece, and then this is how it was packaged. Of course it had my address on it, but I just took that off. So, I already cut it. Just gonna slide this out. And this is the actual item. So it comes in this nice white box with this really pretty pink ribbon. Now this is from an Etsy seller, or like an Etsy shop, and it's called Tails in Gold Fine Jewelry. So I know you can buy like a lot of costume jewelry on Etsy, but you can actually buy like real fine jewelry. And so yeah, this is the packaging, and it has the shop's name on the ribbon. And I will, of course, I'll link the shop below with this like specific item. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. Okay, so once you open the white box, this is what it looks like. You get some tissue paper, and then, oh, you do get a little like cloth here. I think that's just to clean your item. And then this is what it looks like. So there's some ribbon attached, but it's in this little box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the packaging isn't amazing. This is paper, so this isn't gonna last you very long. I know I'm not gonna keep this as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm probably just gonna throw it away. I do have a place that I store my jewelry, and then I also have like a little small travel jewelry box that I use. So I'm okay that the packaging isn't amazing. I feel like if the packaging was, you know, spectacular, they'd probably have to up the prices. So I'm fine with that, but I did wanna just note that, just because, yeah, it's part of the unboxing. But okay, so once you pull this off, these are the earrings. So it's a pair of hoop earrings, and yeah, I'm like a little bit more into hoops this year. I was never a hoop girl at all, and yeah, so these are gold hoops. Let me pull these out. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed in, and I'm trying to cover my face because my camera keeps on focusing in the background, but this is what they look like. And then when you turn them around, you can see, oh, there it goes again. When you turn them around, you can see that they're not like full hoops. They are open in the back. So it's not like a complete hexagon, but it is the shape. Whoops. It is the shape. Hopefully you guys can see. There you go. Let's do that. So this is up close. This is what they look like. And you can kind of, like I said, you can kind of see that it's not a perfectly closed hoop. So they are open a little bit. I don't really feel like you can tell though too much, just because of the way they hang, but I don't mind it regardless. I think it's kind of cute. Okay, let me zoom back out. Okay, so this is zoomed out a bit, and as you guys can see, they are a small hoop. It's not a huggy though. I'm not like a super huge fan of huggies. I personally feel like my head's too big for them. I don't know, it just doesn't look right on me. I feel like huggies on other girls look super pretty, but I just haven't found a pair that like fit. So I like this size because they're not super large. They're still small, they're still dainty, and I feel like you can dress them up or down. Like this could be an everyday hoop, but I would also wear this like going out. Maybe because of the shape, I don't know. I just love these. Anyways, okay, let me show you guys, or not show you, but tell you a little bit about them. So when you purchase these, and they are called the gold hexagon hoops, you can choose between 9 karat, 14 karat, and 18 karat gold. And mine are 14 karat. And so it says solid gold, minimal everyday earrings, geometric. And then they are handmade. And as far as like the measurements, so the diameter is between 16 and 18 millimeters, and I think there's a range because they are handmade, so every pair is not gonna be exactly the same. And then the hexagon part, as far as how wide it is, it's 1.8 millimeters. So super small, and you can choose between yellow, white, or rose gold. And of course these are yellow gold. So yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. Like I said, the shop is called Tails in Gold. This is a star seller on Etsy, and I had an opportunity to work just with correspondence back and forth with the earrings with the owners, and they are so nice, so accommodating. really informative. Like, it was a pleasure working with them. They're definitely a shop that I would love to order from in the future. Oh, the price, duh. Okay, so it says they're 10% off right now, and I feel like it said that for a while. I don't know how long this sale is gonna last, but these normally go for $206. Right now you can get them for $185.40. Actually, as I was reading that, it just dawned on me, obviously it's gonna depend on what karat gold you choose. So let me see. I think if you, I'm just gonna plug one in just so we can see. Okay, so yeah, the 185.40, that's for 9 karat. So if you want 14 karat, and it doesn't matter what color, so yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, the 14 karat is $239.40. The 9 karat is $185.40, so that's where it starts. And then if you want 18 karat, it goes up to $306.90. So yeah, those are the prices. I don't know. I don't personally feel like the prices are outrageous. Like I said, the experience is so nice. They're very professional. The packaging isn't amazing, but again, I don't really care about the packaging. I'm just gonna throw it away. The actual earring, it feels very nice, lightweight, but still really good quality. So I think the price is worth it, obviously, because I got them. But yeah, so these are my new earrings. I am so obsessed with these. And can I just say, I actually saw these on Pinterest years ago. And sometimes when you're looking through Pinterest, if you click on something, sometimes it'll take you to an actual like website or seller or whatnot, but sometimes it's just like a dead end. And so I don't know why I never thought to like click on these, but one day I was scrolling through Pinterest and I finally clicked on it, and I think it linked it to Etsy or something. Anyways, I realized that I could purchase them from Etsy, and I was so excited because I have had these pinned on my Pinterest board for like years. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's just the hexagon, the simplicity of it. I'm really glad there's no like diamonds or anything like that. I'm so happy. It's just plain gold, but the hexagon just makes it a little bit different, more fun. I don't know. Honestly, I just love these. So yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know. Again, I'll link these earrings below. I think they're so pretty. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.